Welcome to Pushpa School Project Files. This is a Class 12 Political Science Project report on environment and natural resources. This report explores the intricate relationship between our environment and global politics. Our objective is to analyze the challenges and opportunities for achieving global environmental sustainability. We face rising environmental costs, resource scarcity, and the urgent need for global cooperation. Balancing development with environmental protection is our biggest hurdle. From balancing India's developing needs to managing the global commons, this project breaks down the complexities of resource geopolitics. A review of existing literature highlights key concepts like the tragedy of the commons and common but differentiated responsibilities. It emphasizes that while we all share the planet, developed nations must shoulder a larger historical responsibility. History shows us the power of action. From the grassroots Chipko movement in India to international treaties like the Kyoto Protocol and the Earth Summit, we see how policy and protest shape our world. This project poses critical questions. Are current frameworks adequate? How can we protect indigenous rights? We hypothesize that collaborative action and stricter global governance are essential for success. Where does India stand? As a developing nation, India balances economic growth with sustainability, championing clean energy like solar power while advocating for equity in international environmental law. We cannot overlook the guardians of the forest, recognizing the rights of indigenous people and integrating their traditional ecological knowledge is vital for sustainable resource management. To gather real world data, we conducted a survey using both qualitative and quantitative methods. We distributed questionnaires to a diverse group of respondents to gauge public awareness on these critical issues. Our data analysis reveals interesting trends. As you can see from these charts, while awareness of global warming is high, opinions on how to handle common property resources vary significantly among the respondents. The results underscore a need for stronger international frameworks and better technology transfer. It is clear that while policies exist, implementation remains a major hurdle. In conclusion, the environment is not just a backdrop but a foundation of civilization. Achieving a sustainable future requires research, dialogue, and collective action from all stakeholders. Thank you for watching. References and bibliography are provided here. Please WhatsApp me at the number provided in the YouTube description if you require any educational services related to school project files.